and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm actually gonna be doing a review on a bag that was sent to me. I'm super excited to show this to you guys. This is my very first time receiving a product in return for my honest review. I wouldn't be able to do this if it wasn't for you all. So thank you guys so much for supporting me. I really do appreciate it. Also, before we get on to the reveal, I just want to let you guys know that I've already chosen the winner for the key pouch. So if you want to know who won it, please make sure to check out my giveaway video. If you are the winner of the giveaway, please make sure to message me. That way I can send you the key pouch as soon as possible. All right, so without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. So this company asked me to choose a bag from their website. They actually have tons of designs, guys. They have tote bags, they have bucket bag, they have python leather, and I'm pretty shocked because they look pretty cute. I don't know if I should unbox this to you guys because it's quite big. So this company is called Teddy Blake. Look how big it is. The box is looking really nice. It's really nice, guys. They are based out of New York. I think I'll just unbox this right here next to me because it's really big, so it's kind of hard to show it on camera, guys. The bag that I chose is the Vanessa Palmilato. I'm gonna put a link down below if you guys want to check it out. This is what it looks like. It's a tote bag. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. It's very lightweight. Oh, I think I just spit on you guys. It's very lightweight, and I just love the smell of leather. You also have this kind of extra security, that way your bag won't just open and have all your things, you know, scattered everywhere. But I love that little touches, you know. Let me show you guys up close. It even has that Apple keychain. It says there, Teddy Blake, New York. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. But you just unsnap it, and this is what it looks like inside. Look how huge that is, guys. It also comes with a dust bag, which is that one. It's really nice, and this one is well packaged, guys. It really feels luxurious. It also comes with a strap. You guys, if you guys know me, you know I love a good strap. I love that you have the option of using this as a top handle bag and also a crossbody bag. That's a really good plus for me, because sometimes, you know, you just need to be hands-free, especially if you have kids too. Like, you want to be hands-free. Like, you don't want to you know, have a bag that's always on your hand. So that's really good. It's really spacious inside, guys. Look at that. And it actually also have, I don't even know what this called, but you can unsnap it. That way you can make it even larger. Look at that. Wow. And you have a middle pocket. That's what it looks inside. It's a pretty good size, although it's kind of small. Like, it doesn't stretch out all the way, but that's really nice, guys. So their bags are made out of premium Italian leather, and I can definitely say, guys, that this is a high quality leather. The smell too is so addicting. It almost smells like a brand new car. I don't know if you guys know that smell, but that's exactly what it smells like, and I really love this. As you guys can tell, this bag is dyed and treated. That way it will last you for a very long time. It really feels like a good quality bag, guys. I feel like I don't even have to worry about this, you know, like scratching or anything like that. And I don't own many totes, so this one is a really good addition to my collection. Super cute, guys. So look at that. Also, guys, another thing to mention, their bags are all made in Italy. I don't know if you guys are like me, but whenever I find that my bag is made from Italy or France, it makes it more special. Are you guys like me? Maybe just me. But yeah, I really like this. It just really feels nice, and I feel like this will definitely last me a very long time. But one thing I like most about this, guys, is of course the price. For all this leather that you're getting and also the quality, I think it's priced really well. They are also having up to 70% off on their website right now. So for those of you who don't have any gifts for Mother's Day yet, make sure to check it out. Also, guys, make sure to subscribe to their newsletter. That way you will be one of the first one to get notified every time they have an amazing deal. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for our video today. I'm gonna be listing all the information down below just in case you want to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.